Okay, before good morning, children. I'm continuing with the same exercise 1.2. Before that, you should know what is Pythagoras theorem, because third problem is based on the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, what is Pythagoras theorem? In a right angle triangle, sum of the squares of the sides containing right angle is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. Okay, now what it means that supposing in a hypotenuse, supposing this is the right angle triangle ABC. Okay, AB and BC is the sides. This slanting is called hypotenuse. दिस AC इज कॉल्ड हाइपोटेनस. जैसे सीढ़ियाँ जैसे रखते हैं ना, ऐसे स्लैंटिंग हो तो उसको हाइपोटेनस बोलते हैं. ओके, तो व्हाट द थियरम सेज, इफ यू टेक द स्क्वायर ऑफ AB and square of the BC, and if you add up these two, that should be equal to the square of the this AC. मतलब क्या है, AB का स्क्वायर BC का स्क्वायर करके उसका ऐड करो. ऐड किया तो ये किसको इक्वल होना चाहिए, AC हाइपोटेनस का स्क्वायर का इक्वल होना चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाट थ्योरम सेज. इन ए राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल द साइड्स कंटेनिंग राइट एंगल, मतलब जिसके जो साइड्स के बीच में राइट एंगल है. ओके, इफ यू टेक स्क्वायर ऑफ दो साइड्स, that should be equal to the square of the hypotenuse. Based on this, we will be solving the next problem, that is representation of root 5 on the number line. That is why before that you should be aware of this Pythagoras theorem. That is why I am taking here. Okay, Pythagoras theorem. I am taking this here. Okay, now let us take this AB BC triangle I have drawn. AB is equal to 4 centimeter, BC is equal to 3 centimeter. Now according to the Pythagoras theorem, square of the sides, sum of the squares of the sides. That means if you add up the squares of the sides, what are the sides? AB is one side, so AB square, BC is one side, BC square is equal to, this is called hypo. This is called hypotenuse. AC is called hypotenuse. ओके, स्लैंटिंग जो भी होते हैं वो हाइपोटेनस है. सो AB स्क्वेयर जो जिसके बीच में राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है वो उसका वो साइड्स हो जाएंगे, उसका स्क्वायर लेने का. AB स्क्वेयर प्लस BC स्क्वेयर इज इक्वल टू AC स्क्वेयर. ओके, वन साइड इज AB, सेकेंड साइड इज BC. If you take the squares of the both the sides, AB square and BC square, and if you add up, sum is SUM, sum means add up, that should be equal to square of this hypotenuse. Okay, one example I have taken. Let us take AB is equal to 4 centimeter, BC is equal to 3 centimeters. Okay, now let us apply the applying Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square according to this problem. So AB square is equal to, AB कितना है 4, so 4 square we need. BC is 3 square. So if you add up, that should be equal to AC square. What is the 4 square? 4 square is equal to 16. 3 square is equal to 9. 16 plus 9, 25. 25 is equal to AC square. So AC will be the square root of this 25. So AC is equal to 5 centimeters. That is the introduction to the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, one more example I will take. Supposing you take this A PQ. Now instead of PQR we will be taking. This is right angle triangle. Okay, PQ is equal to 1 and QR is PQ is equal to 1, QR is equal to 1 unit, PQ also equal to 1 unit. Instead of centimeters I am writing. Now if you apply Pythagoras theorem here, where is the right angle present between PQ and QR? So what is the definition? The square of the sides containing right angle. Which sides are containing right angle? PQ and QR. So if you take up a square, if you take the squares of those sides, PQ square plus QR square, so it should be equal to PR square, hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. What is P here? 1 square. QR also 1 square, and this is PR square. So 1 plus 1 square is equal to 1, 1 square is equal to 1 is equal to PR square. 1 plus 1, 2 is equal to PR square. So PR will be root of 2. So PR is equal to root 2. Okay. One more example I will take. Let us take LMN triangle. LMN. Right angle is between LM and MN. Okay, Ln is your hypotenuse. Now if you apply Pythagoras theorem here, LM square, sides containing, again and again I am repeating, square of the sides containing right angle, LM square plus MN square should be equal to Ln square. Okay, now let us take this as 2 and this as 1. So 2 square plus 1 square is equal to Ln square. 2 2s are 4. 2 square means 2 into 2. 3 square means 3 2s are 6, 9. 3 square means 3 into 3 square means 3 into 3, 9. In the same way 2 square means 2 into 2, 4. Ln square. 5 is equal to Ln square. Ln is equal to root 5. So these are few examples. If you understand this, I will proceed with the third problem.